Let me ask you one thing. What if you have one link or one word, and through that word, through that link, you can access any folder, any file inside your computer? So today in this video, we are going to create this link using Microsoft Word's hyperlink. So this is amazing feature. Please watch till end. You will get many things, many interesting things and new concept of using hyperlinks. So without any delay, let's get started. First, what I meant by this link. Here I have saved this on my desktop. This is similar to when you search anything in Google, and there also when you search, when you don't click on any link, there is like that blue color. Then after clicking, that color changes in another color, purple color something. So here if I click on this one, it says when you hover over your cursor here, it says click control plus click. So when you hold control, then click on this link. See, my all audio files are here. Even you can give anywhere, no matter how depth your file is, you can just create a link, secret files in one click. You can open that, just documents, and here. So by one click, if you have saved here, no need to search where is the file is that, where I have saved that. You just create the link, then after you can open easily. Similar to this one. Now let me tell you how I created this thing. So I will delete this one. First create some words that connects to your original file. So here I am writing first documents. Then click on this one. Then come here, insert and hyperlink. After hyperlink, you should be on existing file or web page. Then from here, look into, see, I had selected my documents. So here also text to display is my documents. This is what I meant. In next example, I will show you what is the difference in this. So from here, select where is your file. So my file would be somewhere, first this PC, and my documents would be here. Maybe you would be somewhere else. I'm just clicking. Even if you can click and you can create a link about one specific files. So here I'm giving the link one folder. Then hit OK. Just this is it. Now just hold control and click on this link. Now your file is here. This is very simple things and very useful things. And another, if you are not writing here anything, so just click on this hyperlink, then text to display. Right here I'm writing my videos. Then from here select your files. Then okay, I'm just giving this one. Then hit OK. Now if you click, then control plus click. That's it. This is very simple thing. Now after you can edit this, you can convert this into table, as I converted to make your data more attractive. Like table, convert text to table. Then here how many columns you want. I want 2 columns. Then you can give here. And if you want more, just press tab key and here it is. Then go again here, insert and hyperlink. Here you can give text to display my music. Then this will come here automatic. Then here maybe my music is here. Okay, tones. Okay, then hit OK. Here it is. If you want to give any specific folder, specific files to connect, then same option, go to hyperlink. Then from here give any name to your specific files, specific folders. I'm just giving my important document. Then from here choose, and from here I will select that folder, that name, where is my that file. If I want to open this one, like this file, so just hit OK. Now if I hold control and click on this one, so this file has opened. So it's very beneficial, I think, if you are a student or if you use computers every day. you search, you spend a lot of stress, where is your file, you search where I have saved that file. So once you create link, directly you can open and you can work, you can access those folders and files easily. That's it in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, then please don't forget to like and please share with your friends. Thank you.